Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we have a new unboxing video. I brought some banknotes, gold and silver from the US that I would like to show you. The first one is a banknote from the US. This is a $1, 1917, graded by PMG 25, very fine. It's a very nice note. It's not the best condition, as you can see here. This note at some time was folded many times, as you can see in the middle here. Some as well, defects as well in the edges here, and that's why the grade is 25. It's not the best condition, but the note itself is really nice, and the US note in general is very popular, and it has a high demand. So even with this condition, this note is not a cheap note. You see a lot of flows here, but it's very nice. It's a piece of history. 1917, it's more than 100 years old. It's very nice. The second note I have here is from Yugoslavia, 10 dinara. Extremely fine, 40. I would make separate videos for each one of these notes because they're very nice, and there's a lot to talk about, but because of time I cannot explain the details. Very nice. 1944. Not the best condition. Still here see some flows here. Very nice. Then some modern notes. 1997, Russia, 10 rubles. Superb gem unk, 67. Very nice. It's also another 10 rubles, 2004. And last but not least, the 100 rubles, 68. It's almost perfect. Russian notes are really nice. I like the artwork for the notes. Really great. Then I brought this one. It's very popular. Isle of Man, proof 69, 5th crown, 1989, Persian cat. There is a whole series of Persian cats that's very popular among collectors. If you manage to get them with good price, it's always a good buy. $1952, 50 piastre, Lebanon, MS66. This is a nice coin. This is a very famous tree symbol in Lebanon. I will make a separate video about this coin. Very nice. 50 piastre. I brought as well a bunch of Morgan dollars. Here, 1881 S64. Has a bit of toning. This is the 82S MS64 and 1900 O MS64. More Morgan dollar. This is 1881 MS65. This one is a unique coin. because of this toning. I love the toning here. You can see this rainbow colors, very nice. More Morgan dollars, this 1887. There's nothing special about this, except grading. MS64 is somehow, it's okay. Below 64 is very common, like MS63. Once it reaches 64 and especially 65, you can see the start of the price increase, especially 65 and some with 64 as well. I'm talking about the common dates, by the way. So Carson City is a different story. And here it's this half dollar 1963 proof version, proof 68 and 66. This is Eagle, proof Eagle 1997. That's a normal coin. 1992, that's piece dollar, MS64 and MS64 1923. 22 and 23 are very common dates. If you manage to get them in a good price, it'd be very nice. Then this is 1990 Isle of Man. Very nice. This 1 penny postage, penny black anniversary, 150th anniversary. It's very nice. I will make a separate video about this coin because it's really nice. I like the design. Very nice. And this is Queen Elizabeth, Isle of Man. I brought as well here the 2013 Paris Memorial, 5 ounce. Very nice. Very nice. SP70. And this is the design of the $1/4. I will make a separate video about this coin because it's really nice. A lot to talk about this coin. And last but not least, this is Egyptian 100 piasters, 1255 after Hijra calendar or Islamic calendar, HF45. And this is a Tura or Toghra. And on the other side here is struck in Egypt, Doriba fi Misr. I will make a separate video about this one as well. But yes, that's all for this unboxing. Some gold coins, some silver coins, and nice banknotes. I will pick the interesting pieces and show to you later in separate videos. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very good day.